Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2012 Lincoln MKX with some great exterior features that include rear bumper sensors and 20-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, we have black leather interior. This Lincoln also comes equipped with a panoramic moonroof, memory seat adjustments, and power windows. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here you have your cruise control. On the right we have our audio and hands-free calling controls. This Lincoln has 175,000 kilometers. On your touchscreen in the middle you've got your Bluetooth phone connection, AM/FM radio, some climate settings along with your heated ventilated seats and your heated steering wheel. You've also got a backup camera. Right below that, we have touch controls for your audio and dual zone climate as well. Taking a look at the back seats, we have more black leather interior along with two fold-out cup holders, an outlet in the back of the center console, and these storage pouches in the seat backs. This Lincoln comes equipped with a power liftgate. Once that's open, you can see that we have plenty of storage space with the back seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the back seats easily fold down using this convenient button. To close the liftgate, you could use the button on the key fob again, but there's also an additional button down below. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2012 Lincoln MKX with some great interior features that include memory seat adjustments, heated and ventilated seats, a heated steering wheel, along with a power liftgate and power folding rear seats. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.